Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's enter language as an input and tap on languages at the very top. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose, and basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So it's quite easy in this device. So let me pick, for example, German. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied, and from this moment the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me open it again and find English in order to show you. So just tap on it and we've got English applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.